yesterday I saw this movie called Wife of Ram on Netflix, and oh my god, what a movie it is! I mean, of all the movies I've ever seen, this is the first time, probably the first time, that the you understand the entire plot of the film in exactly the last 2 minutes of the movie. Because it's like it deals with such a like um, your sex abuse is I mean child abuse, more specifically, like sex abuse that takes place within homes and all, is more widespread than we would think, so basically Wife of Ram is it's like a murder mystery. And Lakshmi Manchu, yeah, I mean, she's the hero of the film. I mean, seriously, it's like, because every frame of the movie has, I mean, you can really, like, you feel for her character, you are rooting for her character. I mean, the way she portrays it. Basically, the storyline is. There's this couple who's been they meet. That's what I mean. There's this the wife of Ram. She sets out in finding justice for her deceased husband. I mean, he dies under mysterious circumstances. So, but really, yeah, I mean, y'all should watch this film for Lakshmi Manchu, the the actress, because I mean, like, she's vulnerable yet strong, and it's a very rare combination, that so that's what the storyline and script is rather unique. Unique is the word for it, because I mean, uh, one can tell that the script writer, has indeed watched a lot of crime shows, to be able to, this whole mention of forensics, and it's quite an that's what, it's a very different script. I mean, and that's what, it's an intelligent script, one can say that. So, but you'll have to watch Wife of Ram on Netflix for Lakshmi Manchu, because we don't come across actors like her often. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.